Ever wonder how to quickly figure out what number you need to hit your goal in Excel without guessing over and over? In this video, I'll show you how to use Goal Seek in Excel, one of Excel's most powerful tools that even many advanced users forget to use. Let's get started. Let's say you're a sales manager, and you want to know how many units you need to sell to reach a target revenue of $10,000. You already know your unit price is $50. This is the perfect situation for Goal Seek. Now in cell B3, calculates revenue by multiplying price and units. Type equals. Select cell B1. Now add an asterisk. Then select cell B2. Hit enter. But let's reverse it, because we want to find out how many units to sell to make $10,000. Here's how to use Goal Seek to solve that. Click on the Data tab. Go to the Forecast group and click What If Analysis drop-down. Choose Goal Seek from the drop-down. In the Goal Seek window, set cell. This is the cell with the result you want to reach. In this case, select cell B3. To value, this is the goal or target value you want the result to be. Type 10,000. By changing cell, this is the input value Excel should change to reach your goal. In this case, select cell B2. Click OK. Done. Excel instantly calculates the exact number of units needed to hit $10,000 revenue. That's the power of Goal Seek. Let's try another quick example. Imagine you're budgeting your monthly expenses and want to find out how much you can spend on entertainment to stay under a $2,000 total budget. You can use Goal Seek the exact same way, adjusting your entertainment amount to meet your budget. Go to the Data tab. Click What If Analysis drop-down, then Goal Seek. In the Goal Seek window, set cell to B7. This is the cell with your total, which contains the formula. To value, set 2,000. This is your monthly budget goal. By changing cell, select B5. This is the entertainment amount you want Excel to calculate. Click OK. Excel will adjust the entertainment amount in B5. Goal Seek is like a hidden gem in Excel. It's perfect for budgeting, forecasting, and hitting performance targets. And the best part? You don't need to be an Excel expert to use it. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.